Hi, this is Luke, and it's tornado. Tornadoes are really dangerous, and when they go really fast, you should watch out because it can do some damage to your car at home. And this tornado, it looks like it will kill someone.
Please be quiet, I'm trying to see this.
And
we are going to do tornadoes today, and here are 6 facts about them.
Tornadoes are really dangerous.
Today we are going to do floods.
These tornadoes can
makes the water go in the clouds.
they're really fast. And they fill up a whole car with bags. This tornado is an EF5. Don't get near it. Do not get near it. And be really careful for the next time you see a tornado. This is really weird tornado.
And it'll make it bigger. Oh, why?
This is the weirdest tornado I ever seen.
And we should stay away from floods. Floods are so dangerous.
This is the dangerous one. The EF5 tornado can suck up any car in the world.
The mountains
By
are less
Luke. The end.
flooding than crazy.
And what? There's a tornado right behind there. There's a tornado right behind me.
Wasting your time.
And there will be by Luke. And they're really dangerous if you get sucked up in it.
A big flood, especially about 5 years ago.
Whoa, that tornado is big. That is by Luke.